Hello, good morning, everyone. We are back to our going to continue write the file using the Python. So we will explore how to write the file without Python. You know the Beam editor, and then I don't want to. Okay, that's it. So so you have to go Beam editor and do write mode, and you can use the Nano editor also to write the new file. How to write new? That's it. There is command for. There is multiple way. I'm going to show you the one first way. So you can go. This is, can you see percentage twice percent? That is called write file. What is called write file? Write file is a function and follow the file name in file. It's going to overwrite your. So I'm going to write xyz test file txt yz test. Okay, just this is the name of file, and if you enter file tax verification tax is notebook for last right only, why it's not taking. Okay, let me do in not paid of here, right? Maybe not a interactive, so not allowing us. Let me do in collaboration. You understand, maybe this is the single line input output. Okay, that's why they are not having taking the standard in. You see the invalid tag string. Are you guys able to understand? Let's do this in the collaboration lab and give the new name as the files. Okay, and I'm going to share you this. So let's do the code. So the percentage write file. Okay, yes, they are taking here file as a function. Now you take xyz, any file name xyz test dot. Now if you do enter, they will give you the next prompt and start writing your content in the this file name. Okay, so anything. So my file, this is my first line of this file. Okay, my first line. Now add second line for. So uh, let's see if we have multiple line and we are able to. My Let's add the third line. Guys, these are the just content I'm writing. Okay, my file name is this. Are you guys understanding?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's execute this. I'm going to run this. Now you can see writing xyz test.txt. Now we have keep the file, the name called this, the function called write file followed by the, sorry, followed by the percent, double percent. Now let's see the read the content. I want to read the content. Okay, so my content, how do I read the content, guys? Is the file is opened or not? How do I know? That is called
Flow.
XYZ XYZ test. This is the file name. How do I now this file is open or not, or it's closed?
Going to read it, right?
See, it's see this file while you are writing, they will not open. Means this file they open and they write and they close. The entire writing is it's not keep open. How? If you want to open this file, you have to go old method like file one, and I want to open. Go to open. Ouch. It's a only writing work, so you have to by z test dot. Now it's going to file open and contain that so that you can able to read. So this file open, then you go for the understand, guys. Open and let's
Yeah.
see. Otherwise, if it's open, your cursor will be here.
Yes.
Okay. So you can see your content. This is my first line. The same issue is there. If I want to split, what I have to do? Tell me.
Need to add the split command. I
Split.
mean,
If I will add split, test you guys. If I it's going to work or not.
I think first you need to come to this first. I
Let's
mean, at the top of
going
the
to work on. What have changed this? I saved. They are keep on running. Already running. They will stuck in couch. Why? What happened? You read already. You read this content is given. You just want to split. You have or to otherwise it's not. You have to close it. Which file they going to read? Because there is nothing contained to split that. Okay. So if you want to split this file again, so you can do this. Are you understand, guys? To save and split. So splitting, it's going to give how they split, guys. Now come to the split function. Earlier it was good, but now how they split? Each and every word they splitted. I want to split each and every line. If you remove this code, what exactly I want, file is here. So then I have one and run this. So if you see what is the difference, I want to read by line. One line, then second line, third line. I want to split that way. But if you see splitting, each and every word they splitted. Right? This is good. If I want to pick up the single word, I can see that content. Right? But I want line wise. Then what function I supposed to use?
line.
Yes. Let's see. Read line. I have to the content of before splitting. I have to instead of read. That means so I will go. I'm going to see. Do you understand why I'm doing this? Because I want to cursor the top of. So next read line. Let's see what happened with the read line. Then we will explore read lines. So content is this. Bring the cursor up. What happened to read line? We have three lines. They are able to take only first line. Yes, no.
Yes.
Okay. Astos, if I will pass here some content like 5, my line is 3, so it going to, it's a general mistake over here. If I will do 2, what do you think? What going to happen with this out? Sagar, what do you think? So my second line going to be appear? My third line going to appear? Or line will not appear, some content going to be? Let's do. So this, don't do this mistake. This is going to show you that line contained first two content. If you want to do 10 content, so within that line, they will show you the all the first 10 content. You understand, guys? In that line, first 10 content. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So you understand, if suppose in line having 30 content, let's see, I think complete 30 content is there. They will not going to show the more than that. Okay, suppose I will do 100 over here, so you can see, so it will going to stuck, going to be on the first line only. Either you give 200 also, it will not go the next one. Here guys,
Yeah.
the Astos, how do I tell all the line that function? Okay, clear guys?
Yeah.
Okay, now if I will split this, so do I achieve our objective? Because here I'm not able to achieve my objective. Here each and every word they split it into the list, right?
Yes, here should we achieve our objective.
Let's see. So I want each and every line error.
You need to come at the top. I mean, this
Now
file is
we are on
already.
the top. See the error. They are telling list object has no attribute in it. List object has no attribute in its split. So here something happened wrong. So let me do this with the lines only. It's working or not. With the line, same function is working. Are you guys understand? For
Yes.
line, you do, so there is a first line here, a single line, the content will become single line in they split that. But whenever they go to the multiple line, they have error.
So readlines was already showing it in the form of list when
Hey,
we have
let's
done it.
good that. Everyone please understand, otherwise you are not able, you going to always forget if you not understand the thing. Excellent. I want to, this is already into the list, don't you think?
Yes.
Don't need to split at all. So read line is collectively a split plus the read read lines and multiple split को मिला के दिया है. It's combination. No need to do a split. No need to do that. The objective is already received, achieved. So always you remember, guys.
Yes. Yep.
Okay. Now, Astos, but I don't want this NA there. New line going to not good for me because I have thousand of file, the thousand of content of line, and every line having class n. Don't you think it's a good practice?
Yep.
So there, this is the okay. We achieve our objective, it's list, but we have removed the how do they. So I'm going to do the agile line. Okay, I'm going to print and instead of that split it lines. Let's run. Oh my! Can you see slash n? They splitted. They read the content. They splitted each and every line instead of split function. They have line without slash. Clean that.
Yes.
Clear. So we let me uh, guide all the things. What are lots of function. So we saw then we saw line as a function, right? Then we lines another method. Then we go for the split method. Going to integrate with this. Now you tell me, remember which one integration, this way or this? Which one?
Read split.
Read line is this is already in the list. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is not a integration. Always use with the split. We'll go read line. Clear? Now, how do I achieve without an here is a issue with the slash n. So there is a new function called with the solution. What is that? Read
Splitlines.
line. We got all the thing clear. Our summary of this session. Any question, guys?
No.
So, what is left? What the important work I have to do here? Sanitize my files. We have created we have created file. Saw the read function method. What are the read method? Saw the split. How do I get it? Now, what is left to close my file? Don't you think?
Yes. Right.
Close my file. So how we have to close my file? File 1, and I have to check whether my file is closed or not. So let's run this. Closed or not? So false. File is not closed, right? So let's close the file and close. Then if I will check the file closed or not. So last is print closed, right?
Yes.
So till here we are good. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to the new session where we will see the new method where I should not close again and again. There is an inbuilt function. By using that, they're going to open, they're going to use that file, and they're going to close the file within the single command. That will be more beautiful and power or not? What do you think?
Yep, yep, yep.
Yes. Next session we're going to explore that. So we should not explicitly closing, opening everything. Once open means whenever we will come out the file, it's supposed to close immediately. Okay, we'll see you in next session. Bye bye.